You know, I work with an awful lot of realtors, and it never surprises me that they don't realize it's not the seller's fault they don't know who you are. Let me give you that again. It's not the seller's fault they don't know who you are. If you're not doing a good job of marketing as a real estate agent, it really doesn't matter how good you are. Nobody is going to work with you. You have to get real focused on, first of all, finding out what is your offer. Why would they work with you in lieu of all other options? Have a really, really good answer to that. And then how do you promote that to the public? It is not their fault that they don't know who you are. A lot of agents I work with, first thing I do when I get their information, I Google them. And you know what I find when I Google them? Generally, I find the company provided website for them. That's literally all that shows up. Like in a world where we can get all the press releases we want, where we can decide what we look like online, we're just stuck with whatever pops up. For $9, actually for free, but for $9, we can come up immediately. We can have a great article about us from doing a simple press release. But the fact is, you've got to get real focused on, first of all, what am I offering to the public, and how do I get the public to know what in the heck that is? It is not the seller's fault they don't know who you are. It is your fault they don't know who they are. I can't tell you how many agents say, oh, well, the competition's so tough, there's so many agents here. If they cut out 1,000 agents, you still ain't meeting with anybody. If they cut out 2,000 agents, you're still not getting appointments. You can't be mad at the people that are out there on the field playing the game if you never get to the plate in the first place. It doesn't matter if there's 1,000 agents or there's 100,000 agents, you still aren't getting to the plate. You've got to get your marketing right. If you want to list more sellers, if you want to get to where you're working with more sellers in your own marketplace, a really cool website that'll help you out. I've got a full video presentation to train you on how to do that, listmoresellers.com. But you got to understand, it is not their fault they don't know who in the heck you are. No matter where you're at in the country, and by the way, as a real estate agent, you should be checking in the comments here. Let me know what city and state you're in. As you know, we do tons of referrals that way. Always check in. Don't be afraid to promote yourself. If you can't promote yourself on here for free, how in the world are you going to promote yourself to the general population? You have to get out there. You have to get known, and it's either free or nearly free in today's marketplace to make sure that your Google search comes up properly. You've got the right type of information out there. One thing you should be doing on a monthly basis is Google yourself. See what comes up. See if it looks the way it should look when a homeowner's thinking of selling their home. If you don't have that happening for yourself, you've got to fix it. It's your fault that the seller doesn't know who you are, so you can very easily fix that with the right approach. With our Greg Luther Inner Circle approach, we teach agents how to get in front of more sellers, and more importantly, make sure you've got an offer they're actually interested in. If you can be beat by a discount broker, it means what you were offering sucks anyway. If they can get what you offer from a 5%er, from a 4%er, from a $99 guy, then you need to fix what the heck you're offering. It's not very valuable. If you can be replaced at a cheaper price, you're not worth what you're asking. Let me give you that again. If you can be replaced at a cheaper price, it's not worth what you're asking. Maybe you should create more value around what you're doing, because everywhere in the country, we've got people getting 6.5%, 7%. Yes, even in that area, getting 6.5%, 7% over and over, because it can't be replaced by anybody at any fee. They can't get what we offer at 4%. They can't get what we offer at 10%. They can't get what we offer unless they get it through us. You've got to improve your offer as a real estate agent. You got to know that there is a difference in real estate agents and what they do. If you don't believe there's a difference, you've already been replaced by the $99 guy. If you agree with that, I want you to click the like button here. Give me the thumbs up. Let me know that you realize your Google search is everything. It's your responsibility to make sure the sellers know who in the heck you are. What I want you to do is go to listmoresellers.com. Watch that quick training. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. And most importantly, you can go out and start making some money by attracting people that are interested in you. It's not the competition that's beating you if you're not out there competing. If you didn't get to the plate, you didn't strike out. There's people that are playing the game, and there's people that are watching the game. Just because you're licensed doesn't mean that you're practicing. So I want you to start closing a lot more business, start attracting more clients. I'd love to help you with that. Anything I can do to help you along the way, let me know. Click the like button here. Make sure you check in with your city and state. I can see a lot of you checking in here. I appreciate you guys joining. Katrina, Brad is here. Denise is here. Angel is here. Brent, Bruce. Happy to see all you guys from all around the country. This is how you become essentially famous in your marketplace. Very easy to do in a small area. How in the heck do you think I get in front of you all the time? If I can do that nationally, don't you think you can do that in a small 15-mile radius? Very simple to do. I'll show you how to do it. Go check it out, listmoresellers.com. I'm Greg Luther. Find out more info on us at gregluthercoaching.com. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.